Cracking the code, understanding transitive and intransitive verbs with context clues. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving deeper into the world of verbs, a critical component of English grammar. We'll be examining a fascinating feature of verbs: their ability to be transitive or intransitive depending on the context. Yes, some verbs are like chameleons, changing their nature based on the sentence. So, let's understand this magical transformation of verbs. As a quick refresher, remember that transitive verbs require a direct object to complete their meaning, while intransitive verbs do not need any object. For example, in the sentence, "She reads a book," reads is a transitive verb, with a book as its direct object. On the other hand, in "She reads quickly," reads is intransitive as it stands alone without an object. But what happens when the same verb appears to switch between being transitive and intransitive? Some verbs, like read, in our previous example, can function as both types. Their classification isn't about the verb itself, but rather how it's used within a sentence. Context becomes our key to unlocking this mystery. When identifying whether a verb is transitive or intransitive, the context is vital. It's all about the presence or absence of a direct object. If a verb has a direct object, a noun or pronoun that receives the action, it's transitive. If there's no direct object, it's intransitive. Let's look at an example. Consider the verb run in these two sentences. 1. He runs marathons. Here, run is a transitive verb with marathons as its direct object. 2. He runs quickly. In this case, run is an intransitive verb, since there's no direct object. In both cases, the verb run is the same, but the context, the sentence structure and meaning, determines its nature. While studying the context, look at the sentence structure carefully. Is there a noun or pronoun immediately after the verb that could serve as a direct object? Is there a clear receiver of the action? Paying attention to these elements can help determine the type of verb. And that's a wrap on our discussion about verbs that can be both transitive and intransitive. Remember, the key to distinguishing them is context. Pay attention to sentence structure, and look for the presence or absence of a direct object. Keep practicing, and soon, recognizing these chameleon verbs will be second nature to you. Thank you for joining today's lesson. Remember, understanding the nature of verbs is an essential step towards mastering English. Until next time, happy studying.